Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can crop images, photos and videos using CapCut. So let's get started. Alright, so what you want to do guys is add the video clip you would like to crop here to your timeline in the CapCut application. And what you want to do after that is select the video clip on your timeline with your left mouse, and after that click on that icon here above, just like that, resize. And the following is super simple guys. Here on the right side you could choose your crop ratio. For example, choose a preset crop ratio of 1:1 or 4:3 or 3:4, or you simply leave it at crop ratio 3 and customize the cropping yourself manually by simply left clicking and holding the edges and corners of that video frame here to the left. So let me crop the video so that only that character here will be visible, just like that. So let me go with a cropping like that. As you can see, it is super simple and super intuitive. Now what you want to do next guys is click on confirm here, and CapCut will apply these changes. There you go. As you can see, that video has been cropped like that. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.